This is your girl Nisi with Tall Tales and Trails, and we are back out on the road heading up to Greenville, South Carolina, and we're going to hit up Table Rock Mountain today. And I'll let you know when we arrive.
Okay, let's go.
Y'all, we made it. We are here. We are at Table Rock, and I'm about to go into the visitor center. I want y'all to look at this mountain. Okay, thank you, Nature Center, perfect. Definitely got to stay protected from the sun and those nasty little icky bugs. All right, so we are officially at Table Rock, and we're about to start our climb of Carrick Trail. It's actually a loop. It's about a mile and a half. So let's see. This is just the start of how beautiful is this. So on trails, it says that I should start this hike counterclockwise because it's a lot easier, but it's already starting off like this, y'all. The Carrick Creek Trail is probably one of the more popular trails in Table Rock, and clearly you can see why. I mean, and we are just getting started. When I tell you the sounds of these waterfalls around every single corner made this hike worth every single step, every single stair. Love is that the views on this trail kept changing. As short of a walk it is for 1.5 miles. 1 minute you were walking through like this lush forest, and then you were on this like red dirt clay, and then the next you were standing in front of a waterfall. It's just beautiful. I am happy that I took the advice of going counterclockwise on this trail, because I was able to get all the stairs and all the elevation out of the way at the beginning, and then I was really able to enjoy the view and the scenery of everything going down. I would not steer you wrong by telling you that it's an easy trek. It's definitely moderate. There are a lot of stairs and there's a lot of elevation that you have to go up. But I have to tell you that it was worth every single step. So if you're in the area, I would definitely try this trail out. And we're all so busy in life doing. Sometimes it's nice just to be able to sit back, relax, slow down, and be still. So relaxing right here. I can stay here like all day. Our journey is almost complete, and when I tell you that this trail owes me nothing, it was worth every single step, every single stair. Now it is time for some lunch. This is the messiest bowl I think I've ever had from Chipotle, but it was good though. Well, we just completed Carrick Trail on Table Rock Mountain in Greenville, or right outside of Greenville, South Carolina. and we are on our way back home. But I wanted to just check in and see how you all like the video. So please hit that like button down there if you enjoy coming along on this journey with me. And if you are a subscriber already, thank you so much. I definitely appreciate it. And if you are new to our channel, welcome to Tall Tales and Trails. If you'd like to stay up to date on trailing, trekking, camping, gear reviews, all that good stuff, please consider subscribing, hitting that subscribe button. But other than that, I'm your girl Nisi from Tall Tales and Trails, signing off.